Hi, friends. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. I got my after. I did two sprays earlier. Do another spray on that side. Oh. So today we have Nicoric gum, 4 milligrams, and I have my Red Kool-Aid jammer. All right, I have my Nicoric gum. Blow my nose. My Kool-Aid jammer. They're so fluffy. Okay. We'll do smoking videos after a while. Start with the nicotine this way. There we go. I can breathe better now. Yeah, it smells here. We're cleaning and talking. There we go. I feel like I grew taller while I was sleeping. So, well, here, shinier. A lot of nice improvements while I rest. It's great. The supplements definitely work. They're awesome. And the Irving Teller exercises and the walking on the rocks and different walking. I breathe much better. Okay. Go play jammers. Okay, I'll go ahead and do my inhaler. There we go. Going down the line. Excuse me. More tissue. There we go. And I'm just having the Kool-Aid and fasting. It smells to make me some tea and coffee. Oh, clearing out my sinuses. Feels good. Every morning, every day, every afternoon, you know, after I get up every day. It's very helpful. Okay, clean. Oh, better. I got my water too. It's a good day for garlic and lemon peel lemon. Elder Smurl is cooking some good fresh food. Okay, that's my video. I got the main meds done. Like more videos doing vitamins. Bye bye.